Hello, welcome back to Berdu channel. In this video, we'll demonstrate how customers can make a purchase on your website using their customer balance. This is the final video of our customer balance system series. If you haven't seen the previous videos, please check them out first. The links are available in the description below. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to Berdu channel to access hundreds of other tutorials. Don't forget to click the like button below and activate the notification bell. Alright, first, we need to activate the customer balance payment method. From your Berdu website dashboard, navigate to Settings, then Payments. Click on the Settings icon here, scroll down, and look for the customer balance name we created previously. This one here. Now click and set it to active, then click Save. Next, ensure that the payment settings on the checkout page are not customized. Navigate to Layout, click Edit Layout, hover over the navigation, and select Checkout. Click Settings, Form, and select Payments. Here, make sure the payment methods are not customized. If customization is necessary, ensure you've included the customer balance method here. Click Done, Done, and Save. Now let's practice the product checkout process. Since the customer balance feature only works when customers are logged in, we need to log into a customer account first. Open a new tab and log in as a customer. Enter the customer's profile. For example, we'll simulate a product purchase using customer Sarah's account. Here, his balance is listed as $500. Let's say Sarah wants to purchase this cardigan product priced at $250. Proceed to checkout and fill in the required data. In the Payment Methods section, along with other active payment methods, you'll see the customer balance option displayed here, including the remaining balance. Select the customer balance option and click Complete Order. An invoice will appear showing the product purchase, automatically marked as paid, and now awaiting shipment. If we check Sarah's customer profile, we'll see the balance has been deducted and now stands at $245 after subtracting the order amount. As a seller, let's verify the order details. Open a new tab and go to your Berdu admin dashboard. Navigate to Orders and find the order made by Sarah. Here, you'll see the order status is already marked as paid, with the payment method noted as customer balance, and the customer balance status already reduced. All that's left is to ship the product. Just like other payment methods, you can also refund customer balance payments. Returning to the Customer Profile tab, click the order's number, then ask for refund. For instance, this could occur if there's a shipping issue or the delivered item doesn't match the order. Now, switch to the Order Details tab and refresh the page. You'll see the refund request status displayed. Click Refund Order. You have 3 refund options. First, Total means refunding the entire amount transferred by the customer, including shipping costs. In this case, the total amount transferred is $255. $250 for the product price plus $5 for the shipping cost. Second, Total minus shipping cost means refunding the total amount transferred by the customer minus the shipping cost. So, the refund will be $250 without the shipping fee. Lastly, Custom Value allows you to specify the refund amount manually. In this example, we'll choose Total minus shipping, as the shipping cost is typically borne by the buyer. Click Refund Order, and the status will change to Refunded. Returning to the customer profile, refresh the page, and you'll notice Sarah's balance is updated to $495, deducting only the $5 shipping fee as per our chosen refund setting. That's all for our customer balance tutorial series. Like this video, leave your comments below, and subscribe to the Berdu.id channel for more tutorials. Also, don't forget to follow our social media accounts for more exciting content. See you in the next video.